So I find it quite hard to believe that in 2024, a lot of people are still not creating content with their phone. Like, so what do you really do with your phone? Like, honestly, is it that you're just feeding off people's content, watching people's TikToks, watching people's reels without actually creating yours? So I find it really annoying. So people literally just carry about with them their big iPhones, big Samsung, without creating content. People are literally out there making good money online by just romanticizing their life, making short clips of their day-to-day activities, and you are literally there just wasting data subscription watching other people's reels on TikTok. But that's actually not the reason for this video. I just decided to digress a little. I've been getting a lot of persons reach out to me and be like, Unique, how do you do it? Like, how do you balance being a creator, a student, and also an entrepreneur? And like, literally, how do you just do it? So in this video, I honestly want to share with you guys my secrets, my tips, my hacks, in fact my superpowers on how you can literally start content creation if you are an aspiring creator, or you've been scared about content creation, or you literally don't know where to start. Even if you're a 9-to-5er, these superpowers, my tips, my hacks would literally work for you. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still your baby girl Unique, and today we are back with another banger. Honestly guys, today, like I said before, I want to really go deeper. I want to literally share my secret, because in 2024 guys, we are literally not gatekeeping. I literally want to share all of my secrets, all of my hard things that have really helped me to become productive while being a student, entrepreneur, and also a creator. Now when I said I was going to share my superpowers, a lot of persons are expecting me to do bbd babadu boo with my wand. I literally just make everything so easy for them, but guys, I really want to share with you guys every single detail as raw and unprocessed it is. Now the first thing I have to tell you guys is, first thing you need to know about content creation. Content creation is not easy guys, and I'm saying this not because I really want to discourage people, rather to get you prepared. Maybe you are thinking of getting into content creation, maybe you really want to become better at your content, or you've been having doubts if you should start content creation. I really want to prepare your mind. Content creation is not easy guys. It's one of the most difficult things in this world currently now. Honestly, I just have to say it's not easy, honestly, because right now I'm filming this video. If I should tell you I'm filming this video at exactly 2 a.m. in the middle of the night, I don't think anyone would literally believe. You see the reason why I said it's not easy? Because it literally takes a whole lot of sacrifice to be a creator. Now I'm also a student and I literally have to go to classes tomorrow. I'm also an entrepreneur and I do a whole lot of other stuff. Now this is literally my sleeping hours, but I'm out here filming this video for you guys. So guys, if anyone is telling you just pick up your camera, just sit in front of the window, just film videos, just make vlogs, just write scripts, content creation is easy guys, they are literally lying to you. Content creation is really hard. I'm still going to tell you guys the beautiful thing about content creation and why you need to start creating content despite how difficult it is. I think for me, content creation have literally been a journey. If you watched my previous video from when I started creating content on YouTube, you would notice significant change and growth. Now that is literally something content creation have literally helped me with. I think my journey as a creator have been so beautiful. I would literally have to target self-discovery. Content creation have literally helped me to discover more about myself and literally build myself. Every stage in my content creation journey, I've actually been able to utilize what I have at that point and learn certain things to make me better for future purposes. Now let's say you want to start content creation and you are literally clueless on how to start. Maybe your schedule is quite busy and you are literally confused. Should I be creating content? This thing is so demanding, it's so taxing. I can literally relate to that. I'm here to encourage you today that you have to be creating content. If you literally want to start up a business, you want to start up a brand, you want to build up the 6-figure brand, if you literally want to romanticize your life, if you really want to position yourself strategically in the world right now, you have to create content. Now irrespective of your temperament, irrespective of if you are an introvert or maybe you really don't like the camera. I feel content creation is something everybody should be doing right now. It's literally one of the easiest way to have connections with people, to meet new friends. Literally one of the easiest way to make money online right now. Everyone loves content. Whenever you go on your social media platform, you feed on content, you absorb content, and then you follow people every day. You like people's videos because they are feeding you something that you love. Imagine if you are the kind of person that is actually doing something for people out there, because I believe that everyone has potential in them that they can actually share to people. So what I'm actually doing right now, I'm enlightening you, and I'm also charging you to start up your own journey by sharing my own journey. This is literally content, and I feel every single person has the potential to become a content creator. So guys, enough of the long talk, let's literally go down to business. So I'm literally going to be sharing with you guys my secrets, my hacks, like I said before, my superpowers, and the reason why I think every single person should be creating content right now. So the first thing I think that is really helping me in my content creation journey, that's literally helping me balance up my schoolwork, being a business owner and also a creator, is creating systems. I don't think I can talk about this enough. Creating systems has literally helped me a whole lot, because if you don't create systems, literally content creation journey would really be so difficult. I have a lot of things to do. I'm also a student, I have assignments, I'm currently in my final year, I have my seminar work to do, I have tons of notes and textbook to literally read. If I do not create systems, guys, I would literally go crazy. I would lose it up there. I would literally run, I don't want to say run mad, but literally I would so be frustrated, tired, and really stressed out. So guys, that is the first thing that is helping me create content. I literally had to create routines and create systems in order to checkmate every aspect of my life, so I ensure that no part of my life is literally lagging behind, because I really don't want to create content and then be failing in my academics or just not doing very well. So I really had to create systems to ensure that I balance up. So if you want to start up content creation, I think that is the first thing I have to tell to upcoming creators. First thing you need to do is to create system, guys, to ensure that all aspects of your life is currently in check. Ensure that you are prioritizing every single aspect of your life. That's literally something I had to do. So peradventure you are a 9-to-5er, you work and you really want to start up content creation, best thing for you to do is to create systems. You should already have like an automated system. You have all your content keywords for a particular month, you have every other thing in your life checkmated, you have them well organized. This is literally going to help take out the stress from the creative journey. This is something that I think this is actually the most important thing that have helped me to become creator and entrepreneur and also student without burning out. Because honestly guys, before I started filming this video, I had already know that today by this time I will be filming this particular video, and I had already planned out my day to fit in this particular time. So I had to rest a whole lot during the daytime, because I knew that I was going to film video at night, because literally I have a light issue over at my place and I usually have light a lot at night, so I have to make use of the night time. Guys, a lot of the talking, let me literally show you what I mean by creating systems in general. So guys, for creating system, I actually use this application called Notion to plan out all of my academic activities. Literally everything that has to do with my academics is here. I used to plan for my assignments, textbook I need to read, my reading schedule, literally everything that concerns my academics. Like I said, I really don't want to be creating content and then failing in my academic, so this was very necessary. And then I also had to use Notion to create a content schedule, so that I literally know every single content I'll be creating for the next few months while I'm busy at school, so I don't have to always think about every single thing when it comes to content creation. I had to organize my keywords and every single thing that had to do with my content creation process. This actually takes away the whole stress from the whole creative process. And I also had to use Notion to create a schedule also for my ebook creation process. So basically guys, this is how I stay ahead of my creative journey and take out the stress from the creative process. Guys, before we go further, if you are literally finding this video helpful, don't forget to support your girl by hitting up that subscribe button and giving your girl a thumbs up. Also blow me some kisses and love in the comment section, guys. Second secret that have literally been helping me create content is the fact that I am literally passionate about content creation. I don't know about any other person, but content creation for me, like I said, has been a journey, and one of the reasons why I haven't given up despite how difficult it is, I am so passionate about creating content. I love what I do. I love creating content. Now, a lot of persons might feel like, oh, what if I'm not passionate about creating content? I used to think I was not passionate about creating content. Problem then that I did not realize was the fact that it was not about the passion, but about the niche that I was in. I had to do a quick switch. I had to try a different niche to see the one I was comfortable about talking about. So you need to look for a particular niche that you are really passionate about, create content around it. Definitely everyone will be excited to talk about something that they really love, something that they are really passionate about. For me, is to talk about productivity, because that is literally the phase of my life I'm currently in. I'm trying to fix my life, trying to unfuck my life, trying to make myself a better person and literally help others too to become the best version of yourself. That is something I'm very enthusiastic about, something I'm very happy to talk about. For you, it could be talking about relationships. For you, it could be making podcasts about friendship. So you literally have to look for something you are very passionate about, so you wouldn't always have to crack your head every single time when you're creating content. Just look for something that you can literally do with ease. I think that's something that really helped my content creation journey to be as unique as possible, because I am literally passionate about what I do. I really love to create content about the topics I post on my channel. So guys, that's literally the second thing, the second superpower I use for my content creation journey. Guys, the third thing I actually use for my content creation journey, the third secret, was literally to mentally structure my mind. I had to choose my heart. Like I said before, guys, content creation is not easy, but I literally had to choose my heart. Content creation may not be easy, but I literally had to make a decision mentally. I had to come to the understanding that everything currently now around me, within me, every single thing on the internet, content. So if you are literally not creating content, you are literally just cheating yourself. If you really want to build your business to the 6-figure brand or to the big company or whatever you envision it to be, you must be creating content. I literally had to choose my heart, so that this thing I'm about to go into is difficult, so but I have to do it anyways, because this is it. I have to be creating content. I feel if people actually have this mindset towards things, towards content creation in general, it's going to help them go far a lot. Because let's say, for instance, you intend to start up a 6-figure brand, you intend to start up something for yourself. Now, content creation might be very difficult. It might be difficult for you to start filming yourself, or filming your behind the scenes, or filming the process, or creating funny and engaging content on social media. It might look very ridiculous and very cringe, because maybe you are an introverted person, maybe you are not a camera person or the video kind of person, but it might look very difficult, like I said. But you have to choose your heart. You have to decide to do it, because that is literally the only way you can sell something out there to people. Let's say you sell shoes or bags online. It's super old-fashioned for you to be posting pictures of your shoes and just photos of your shoes and telling people, come and buy my shoes, come and buy my bag. Literally, guys, that is literally the traditional method of doing things. Now, content creation means you have to go into every single thing with storytelling, engaging people, showing them the value of what you are selling without telling them, oh, come and buy. Just tell them the value, enlighten them. People tend to want to buy more from people that show them the value before they actually purchase it. The unique thing about content creation is the fact that it is more emotional than physical, guys. For you to actually sell your products online currently, you need to understand the fact that content creation has a way of speaking to people's emotions. A lot of creators out there, they are literally selling because they are using content creation to get people's emotions and pick their brains and make them want to patronize them. Some business owners on Instagram, when you literally stumble upon their page, they are literally making you laugh. They are giving out entertaining content, while showcasing their product. Now literally, what are they doing? They are speaking to your emotions. They want you to laugh, they want you to be excited, they want to literally make you their friend. That's literally what content creation does. That's the reason why I feel you have to be creating content irrespective of how hard it is. Like I said, I had to pick my heart because I knew that content creation is the future. So if I'm literally not doing it now, I don't want to wake up one morning at 40 realizing that I literally just slept all of my life while people were literally making videos and vlogging about their day-to-day activities and making cool cash, guys. So guys, this is me telling you, wake up from your sleep, snap out from your slumber and start creating content. If you still are not creating content, then you are so wrong. I think that's where we'll be dropping the curtain for today because I really don't want this video to be super long. But guys, before I go, I think I have to charge someone. If you've always wanted to start content creation, I think my best advice for you would be just start imperfect. I feel a lot of people complain too much or think too much about the process, like how would I look on camera, what would people say, would people like my content? The only way to literally find out is to start. I feel a lot of people think too much about the whole process that they actually do not start up whatever they intend doing. So my advice would be just start irrespective of whatever you have, start irrespective of not having aesthetic setup. Just start, guys. So this is just me telling you guys, start. You must be creating content in 2024. Guys, I just launched my very first ebook and it's how to start content creation without losing your mind. So if you've always been so scared, tired, frustrated, angry about how to create content, you literally don't know where to start, that ebook would literally be your full guide into content creation. I literally poured out my heart in that ebook. Every single detail I've learned, every single thing I've learned in my own content creation journey for years of creating content is compressed into one piece. So if you are confused on how to create content for your business, you really don't know how to use storytelling to engage your audience, really don't know how to create content calendars, you are literally just clueless, or you want to start content creation to build your social media platform, every single thing, every single tiny detail of every single thing I've learned in years of creating content is literally compressed into one. That is literally the only book you would need to start creating content, guys. And I give full money back guarantee, guys. If you literally read my ebook and you are still confused on how to start content creation, then I am willing to give you a full money back guarantee, guys. I'll be dropping down the link in the description box for you to go check it out. Also use the coupon code in my description box so you can get an extra discount on your purchase, because I love you guys so much and I really want you to start creating content, guys. This year is our year of creating content. This year is our year of doing big things. So guys, this is literally where I would be saying I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me, and I would literally be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.